So it's busy now.
Little,
Just
little is okay. Just little. Yo, what's up? Today I'm in Sanur and I will walk from the Fairfield into the Sindu beach and we will see how is it. By the way, over here is the Mount Agung.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try. This is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out.
Over here is the brand new place. I mean, it's not brand new place, but it's around half year or 1 year. Belongs to the Fairmont. Very nice, never been there, but it's a bit of pricey. But have to try one day.
I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. We're like everyone else, we have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about.
Past the few restaurants, and as you can see, they are empty or almost empty. However, they are open, so that's good. Well, this one is closed. But yeah, that's how it looks like.
What life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die. But I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to?
So as you can see, it's this part of the Sanur. Some places are open, some places are closed, like this one, and previous is open. However, super quiet and empty. And it's not many people even walking over here.
It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to?
Restaurant behind me is the Seagrass. They opened last summer, but seems like it's no change for the current situation. And also a lot of jet ski behind me. They are also retired. And the beach is like this in this area. Check this out. Quiet. What can I say? And behind me is famous La Playa. Check this out. It's, by the way, I forgot to mention, it's 5 o'clock or after 5 o'clock already.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure.
La Playa is a famous beach restaurant very close to the Lila Pantai. They are both very famous in that area, and they was always open actually. Well, they was closed for a while, for 2 months, but after that they was open and they was super famous. But now they are quiet. And by the way, behind me is the Hyatt Pizzeria. This is the famous place where I used to have coffee and editing the video during the lockdown. And from the past week it's closed because of the something with the current condition. I'm not 100% familiar what's happened there, but it's closed, but was never closed during the lockdown, but it's closed now, so it's kinda sad.
I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright.
So as you can see, it's kinda sad view. By the way, Sanur is very super quiet at the moment, and it's, to be honest, from my perspective, as I'm in Sanur almost every day and I'm on the during all the time is the current conditions, and previously for a few years I'm telling you guys is the Sanur and each parts of Bali, but Sanur now is getting each week more and more and more quiet and more sad. So sad. Check this out, this is the path, nobody is behind.
'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions.
So as you can see on the path over here, when I'm walking, it's only very few people sometimes passing by, and that's will be that's it. I don't know why it's so dark today. Yeah, sorry about dark. Let's go next.
'Cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. Maybe reveal it, ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No one can sit in the room, me, I won't be ashamed. 'Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. Pressure's really bringing me down.
Past one very small local warung when normally a lot of people having bintang. It's kind of cheap and very like local vibes. However, only two fellas over there, and now coming into the Bali SANUR area, and doesn't look much more optimistic.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure.
Bali SANUR just behind me. For foreigner customers there, they open for the pool pass, day pass. I think it's 200 per person or per couple, I'm not sure. However, not many people. And over here also just few local people.
'Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
By the way, I was reading somewhere as at the moment it's around 7,000 foreigners left in Bali. Why so dark? Maybe better now. So around 7,000 people left. That's the local media was told about that. However, not sure if that's 100% confirmed, because the same media said last time something different. However, let's say 7,000 people left in Bali right now. But definitely what I can say from the time when the government said is that everybody have to go out from Indonesia because of the visa will be not extendable, definitely a lot of people go home. That's 100%. Hello. Yeah. Just arrived to the Pantech Harang. A few local people around, but that's really very few only, as you can see.
If you care about me at all, you should focus on your problems, not putting the blame on me. So I won't pick up your call, I don't wanna talk about it. You know that we disagree. You always have to have the last word, don't you? Or you do things that you regret. Maybe you can find somebody new, somebody who knows just what to do. When you get all fired up and you hit where you know it will hurt the most.
Basically, the SANUR nowadays seems more quiet than was the real lockdown a few months ago. As you can see, it's just very quiet. I know, very quiet, I saying all the time, but that's how it is. There's just nothing happening here. And honestly, the SANUR was definitely much more busier in March, but in June, July than is now. This area of SANUR is really quiet. I think a lot of these businesses is already bankruptcy or gonna be. I heard also from someone who is watching us every day, as the one of the restaurants in SANUR will be closed at 27 because of it's kinda sad. I'm now just next to the Villa Shanti, and this is supposed to be a restaurant over here, and it's totally closed. I forgot to tell you guys, yesterday when we was going back from Uluwatu, we was driving on the Tol Mandara at about 7:30, 8 o'clock at night, and was nobody on the motorway. We didn't record there, we was just busy talking, but when we finished the drive on the motorway, we just recognized as completely nobody, something like feeling like I'm the Legend and Will Smith. Did you watch the movie? And I just need the red Mustang and dog. Actually, dog will be easy. I don't know how I'm gonna find the red Mustang in Bali. However, you know what I mean, guys, right? Also behind me, the Gria Santrian in SANUR also doesn't look much optimistic over here. So sad. It's actually nobody here. And this restaurant, I don't know what's the name, closed. Everything over here closed, empty. Even if it's open, it's empty.
somebody to see what you see, but it won't be me. If you care about me at all, you should respect my boundaries. Don't come knocking on my door.
I'm so sorry guys if I look sad when I'm talking about that, but I think it's not much to laugh on what is happening now in Bali and in Sanur. So sorry if I'm not smile every single time. However, everything is the same and I'm fine. But I just feel a little bit like sad walking. That's why I have no smile all the time on my face. However, maybe like this, good for the thumbnail.
Cause it's scary, you must know. After everything we've been through, this can't go on no more. You never felt the limits holding you back. And I'm just wishing you would stop. I don't wanna find somebody new, cause nobody will know just what to do. Cause when you get all fired up and you hit where you know it will hurt the most, nobody can see what you see, not even me.
Behind me is Sand Beach Bar restaurant, very famous place as well in Sanur, and they have two live music musicians, 5 people in as the waiters, probably somebody in the kitchen, and zero customers. That's why I don't smile too much, because I think it's not the best way to smile, because it's sad, right?
If you care about me at all, this can't go on no more. I don't wanna find somebody new, cause nobody will know just what to do. When you get all fired up and you hit where you know it will hurt the most, nobody can see what you see, not even me.
So on the beach, yeah, so on the beach, because it's only in the ball in the city center of Sanur, close to the Warung catching, and so on the beach in here. This restaurant is supposed to be busy, even if it's not the super cheapest one, but it's very nice, cool vibes and everything, nice food as well. But one customer. Anyway, as you can see over here, situation is how is it. This guy looks like a Bruno Mars. Right, that was the famous Warung Madaweti. They changed the location now, and they are not anymore over there.
So it's busy now.
Little,
Just
little, yeah, just little.
How many customers you had today and how long?
Start from 7 o'clock, and now 4 customers.
Oh my god, that's very long day, all day, and only 4 customers, yeah?
Yes, yesterday I'm 2 customers. Yeah.
Where are you from? You're from Bali or?
Yes, I'm from Bali.
Yeah, because your name is Aikadek, right? Yeah, that's good.
I just arrived back to my bike, everything is fine. I had a wee spoke with the driver. That's how it is. See ya.